This was me as a beginner, and this is me after thousands of kilometers. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to make this transformation. And I guarantee there's no fluff. Just 3 stages that actually work. Let me show you the biggest mistake beginners make with the grip. This is the death grip. This is the way to do it. Hand through the strap from below. Hold the pole, not too tightly. All of the weight is now on the strap, not your pole. Here's the 90-degree test. Watch my elbow. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. See how that creates momentum? Once you've mastered these techniques, you're ready to face some real challenges. Here's what separates intermediates from experts: anticipation. Watch how I'm already planning my next pole plants. At this stage, you're not thinking about your poles anymore. They've become a natural part of your rhythm. You've just learned what took me years to figure out through trial and error. Now here's your challenge. Take these 3 stages on your next hike and see the difference. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest trekking pole struggle? I read every single comment.